अरे तेरे फोटो लो अरे था
ঠিক আছে কল করে কোন হাতে যেটু খুৱাই কল করে
Today we have restarted elephant safari inside Kaziranga National Park almost after a gap of 7 months. Response is quite good that we opened around 37 seats for the tourists and we got 100% booking. And we hope that in coming days tourism will improve upon. This elephant safari we started only in the central range and the western range we will open it during the coming days.